as you can see, we have quite the view and the backdrop today. I'm going to be doing some creek fishing with a fly rod and some spinning tackle. Potential for smallmouth, walleyes, pike and muskies as well. So a pretty amazing view out here, and this is just one of the many small rivers that you can come to in the state of Minnesota. This particular one just happens to be so beautiful, and I don't think many people would guess that this is only about 35-45 minutes away from the actual metro area. So Minnesota is quite an awesome state. So stay tuned. I'm going to get the waders on. We're going to head down there and do some fishing. All right, let's do this. Oh, look at that, right off the tree. That's a smallmouth. Literally, like, as soon as it hit the water, he was on it. That's why I love smallmouth. They fight especially hard, but even in the current, it's so much more fun. Looks like another decent fish. It is a nice fish. That is a nice smallmouth. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that jig. Completely gone. Not a bad fish. I mean, look at where I'm fishing. Rock bass? So there's quite a lot of species that are in here. That's the first rock bass I've caught in quite a while, not a giant. Alright, let's try and debate on how I'm going to get up. 'Cause if I can get right there, that's a game changer. That'll give me a really good chance at getting into this area right here. So what I'm going to try and do is, first of all, not fall. But I'm going to try and climb up this. This is mud, so what I'm going to do is step right there. It seemed to work. Got to step on a deer carcass to get up there. I just need to. Well, it's not gonna stab me. Let's see. Use my fishing. Okay. I've literally got 1,000 thorns in here now. All right. Well, hard part's over. As long as we don't slide down the hill and die. Holy crap, I don't know if anybody else would go through this much trouble to catch rock bass and crappies. Look at that tree. Oh my god. Oh, this is perfect. Now I just need a big smallmouth. There's one. Oh, what is that? That looks like a pike. Oh yeah. This little pike. Everything is in here. Oh, there he goes. There's a little northern pike. Oh my god, I don't know what that is, but it is big. I think I just got a huge smallie. I just saw a big gold flash. I think he's got me in a tree though. Oh my god, it's so big. Guys, this is a big fish. This is a huge fish. I think it's a big smallie. Ooh. Oh, it's such a nice fish. I haven't seen her yet. I think the flash looked like a smallmouth. I have no idea what else this could be. Look at the boils she's popping up, boys. Look at the boils she's popping up. I can't tell what she is. Oh, it's a nice smallmouth. Woo! Guys, this is a nice smallie. This is like a 3-pound smallie. Guys, look where I'm fishing. Look where I'm fishing. It might be bigger than 3 pounds. Oh, stay out of that tree. Stay out of that tree, girl. Stay out of that tree. She's got me in the tree. She's got me in the tree. Oh, come on out of there. Come on out of there, girl. Oh my God, that is such a big smallmouth. Stay out of there. Stay out of there. Oh my God. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, get over here. Oh my God. This is such a big smallmouth. Get over here. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Guys, look at this smallmouth. Guys, that's like a 3-pound smallmouth. All right, let's get her back in the water here. There she goes. Oh my God. I'm shaking. Well, it looks like I've kind of burned the area out. Oh, it's a lot. That was. Maybe I shouldn't have gone this way.